Alright, this is the third video where we're looking at images in plane mirrors, the Predict, Observe, Explain lab. We have already taken light rays and shined them along these paths, produced the reflected rays, extended them back, and where they have crossed we have formed the image of our original object. Now what we're going to do is just very briefly look at the image characteristics of what we've produced here. Okay, so here's the bottom portion of the second page, SNC2P. Here's the directions. We've already followed that. It says state the image characteristics. What's the size? So when we look at the size of this image versus this object, we notice that it's the same size. The attitude, is it erect or inverted? So we can see that it's pointing up, as is the object, so it's erect. Then, the location. How does the distance of the object compare to the image in front, and the image in back? Sorry. So you can see here when we look at the object and the image, there, essentially the same distance. So we can write here same distance. All right. You also have some questions on the last page in the Explain section. All right. What are the image characteristics? Size, attitude, location. The type is virtual. You can fill that in using what we just wrote down. It says in question 2, a plane mirror always creates a virtual image. A virtual image occurs when it appears that the image is formed behind the surface of the mirror. Do all mirrors form virtual images? Can you think of a mirror which creates a real image? So you want to answer that question. And then question 3, you're standing in front of a plane mirror and you lift your right hand. What happens in the image? This is known as lateral inversion. So you want to answer that question as well. How are directions affected when you look in the mirror? When you do things with your body, what does your image do?